everyone. My name is Hiếu. I'm a student from Abitude University. Today I want to answer my teacher question is what do you know about endangered species? Have you ever seen any? To me, an endangered species is a group of animals in danger of becoming extinct. The reason is because illegal hunting and trade is the main cause of the decline in the number of many species. Secondary is habitat loss due to economic development and deforestation. The living space of wild animals has narrowed. In Vietnam, there are many endangered species such as sao la, bull, and navy deer. Take example is sao la, an, an animal live mostly in Nghệ An, Thanh Hóa. According to VN Express, in 2009, there are more than 200 individuals. But in 2019, there are only 100 less. The mainly reason why is because people hunting them down illegally to make them as decoration or medicine. So that is my answer of the question. What do you know about endangered species? Have you seen any? Thanks for listening.